due to surface tension on the liquid is equal to weight of the liquid. Where the weight of the liquid is there between this. So what is the force due to surface tension? So I'll draw some diagrams. Let's angle of contact, let it be 0. It will wet completely. Theta, if you, I'll show it here. I am writing theta equals 0. Fine. So then how the force due to surface tension should act? Should act vertically. Now where do this because the liquid open will come in contact with the both solid glass cylinder as well as capillary tube, no? These diagrams are very important. I don't know, nowadays students, nobody draws any diagrams. Their notes, if you check it, no, it's a quite empty, just like some history notes it will be there. In history, will you draw any diagram? Very alarming situation. This is a B. This is A. Okay. Anything can you write? Force due to surface tension. Look at that one. Surface tension into 2 pi A plus surface tension into 2 pi B should be equal to weight of the liquid. So tell me, what shall I show the weight of the liquid? You neglect the volume of liquid in the meniscus. That you need not to show it. I think this is quite natural. No, you'll be drinking some juice in some like a glass. Then if you put some straw, what will happen? The similar thing, instead of straw, what happens? Some solid, anything, some thick one, if you're putting it. Okay, the conditions will be like this, no? What is the weight of the liquid? Density rho pi b square h minus pi a square h into j. Why subtraction? Because in this total volume of liquid here, I should subtract this much of volume of liquid, no? Then only I'll get this one. Okay, we wanted expression for h, no? So therefore this will be h is equal to 2 pi st, 2 pi will get cancelled out. So 2 st a plus b by rho into g b square minus a square. So therefore 2 st rho g b minus a. So this height to which the liquid will rise inside this capillary tube. If you put some solid glass cylinder, there's a condition. Take some any glass. Okay, fill up water. Again, if you have any solid glass rod, immerse in that one at the middle. If you want, no sir, I'll keep it somewhere here. Okay, do it and look at the mathematics. Take help of mathematics and work out. And now instead of this solid glass cylinder of cylindrical glass cylinder, if I bring a rectangular cross section, what changes you're going to make it? I'll leave it to student. I'll give small diagram. You should work out. Now look at the cylinder. If the cylinder is of this kind, any changes? Any changes will you bring it? Look at this particular cross section. There's no change in this one, no? And there's no change in this one. You have to change this. What you should write? So the dimensions. So if the dimensions, if you give like there's a area of cross section. So this is like a. So ST into 4A will come. Then here you subtract the volume of that particular I think this not, you should not call cylinder, better you have to call this as a cuboid, no? This is a glass capillary. Rectangular rod, I write it. And the water will rise to certain height. These are the ways in which numericals will be tested for you. Shall I go for next one? Please do workout. The first method is not advisable. Do remember, in some cases that will help, in some cases this one. So both the methods are very important. You should follow both the methods. If the I may bring like this, no? Conical